Derivation of mass energy relation E equal to mc square. First of all, let a body of rest mass m0 is moving with v velocity, then its mass can be given by m equal to m0 by under root 1 minus v square by c square, equation 1, where m mass of the object at the travelling speed, m0 mass of the object at stationary position, v speed of the object, and c speed of the light. The equation is m equal to m0 by under root 1 minus v square. Then square the above equation. M square is equal to m0 square by under root 1 minus v square by c square whole square. Then m square by m0 square by the root and the square cancel. The value is 1 minus v square by c square. Then the rearrange the equation. M square equal to m0 square by c square minus v square by c square, and c square minus v square taken into the left side, and c square is into the m0 square. So the value is c square minus v square m square equal to m0 square c square. Then the final value is c square minus v square into m square equal to m0 square c square. Take into the bracket m square taken into the bracket, m square c square minus m square v square equal to m0 square c square. The differential the above equation, the equation like 2c square m dm minus 2m v square dm minus 2v m square dv. Then this equation will be 0 because m0 is constant, ce also constant, so this value equal to 0. In the first term, 2c square m dm minus 2m v square dm minus 2v m square dv equal to 0. Then 2m common, taken into the common, then c square dm minus v square dm minus vm dv equal to 0, and 2m taken to the left side, 0 into 2m equal to 0. Then c square dm equal to v square dm minus vm dv equal to 0. The negative parts are taken to the right side. Then c square dm equal to plus v square dm plus vm dv. Then the final equation is c square dm equal to v square dm plus vm dv, equation number 2. According to the Newton's second law of motion, the rate of change of momentum of the particle is equal to the force applied on it. That means f equal to dp by dt. Then f equal to dmv by dt. Then f equal to mdv by dt plus v dm by dt. The normal condition m not change, so f equal to, we write the f equal to ma. According to the special theory of relativity, m change, so the extra equation is v dm by dt. In the normal position, f equal to mdv by dt, f equal to ma. But according to the special theory of relativity, f equal to mdv by dt plus v dm by dt. Equation number 3. If the particle is displaced by a distance dx by the application of force F, the work done F dx is stored as a kinetic energy in the body. Then dE equal to F into dx, dE equal to F into dx. Then F equal to the equation, the previous equation, F equal to dp by dt, F equal to dmv by dt, F equal to mdv by dt plus v dm by dt is substitute the replace of the f, then substitute the f, then dE equal to mdv by dt plus v dm by dt into dx. So the equation like dE equal to mdv dx by dt, dx taken into the bracket, dx by dt plus v dm dx by dt. Then dE equal to m dv v plus the dx by dt value equal to v and v dm dx by dt equal to v. Then the final equation dE equal to m dv mv dv plus v square dm. So dE equal to m v dv plus v square dm. So this value equal to m dv plus v square dm value equal to the previous equation 2. The value is like c square dm equal to v square dm plus v m dv. Then the value is taken substituted into this equation. Then dE equal to this value equal to c square dm. Then dE equal to c square dm. Then integrate the above equation. The value becomes integration of dE equal to integration of c square dm. Then E equal to mc square. The final equation is explain the relation between energy and mass. Thank you for the watching.